Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about the Roland AIRA P-6. It is a portable pocket-sized sampler with granular sound design options, a powerful sequencer, it has onboard mic, resampling capabilities, it has 16 voices or it can also be monophonic, but the granular engine is limited to 4 voices. It also has a multi-effects processor with 20 algorithms including vinyl simulation, a DJ effects looper, lo-fi, scatter, phaser, resonator, and more. You also have a delay and reverb ascend effects. When it comes to sample playback and sequencing, you can change the pitch, the start and end points of the sample, and you can also work with a gate mode. Then in each sample playback mode, you can forward, loop, reverse, and use an alternate loop. There's an active chop and slicing function on each sampler, giving you 64 slices. In this way, you can fit a lot of different sounds into one sample without using multiple slots. Another feature is step sampling that allows you to work with the slice workflow when recording new samples. This gives you a sample with multiple sounds that are perfectly sliced. The easy-to-use granular synthesis engine can be fed with any sample content from the device. It also has a resampling engine allowing you to capture internal sounds. You can resample sounds that you manipulate before with effects, and samples can be played back in mono or polyphonic with up to 16 voices, but the granular engine is limited to 4 voices. There's a multi-effects processor with 20 algorithms. There's also a step sequencer. There are 16 steps on the hardware, 64 steps in total, and it has memory for up to 64 user patterns. You can use it in the real-time recordings with quantized/unquantized options, or in the step mode with individual note entry. It also has parameters for notes/slices in the sequencer that allows you to manipulate the velocity, gate, length, microtiming, substeps, off-grid sequencing, and probability. There's also the ability to do motion recording of the parameters that brings life to the sequence, so you can use the step loop function and be able to manipulate the playback in real time to create some improvs and instant stutter effects. There are 4 different sampling rates. You get 44.1 kilohertz, 22, and 14.7. And if you want some crunchiness, you got 11 kilohertz. The internal memory is small for today's standards, so you get 23 seconds for mono or 11 seconds in stereo per sample, and that is maximum. The highest, when you go to 44.1 kilohertz, you get 5.9 seconds of mono sampling. When it comes to connectivity, it has TRS, sync, in-out, a mix in-out, MIDI in-out, and a USB-C port for MIDI charging and audio. It's also portable and has a lithium-ion battery that is USB-C rechargeable that gives you up to 3 hours of mobile music production. When it comes to availability, I see it here available at Thomann for 198 euros, but I believe this is a discount from 219 euros, which I can see over here and is crossed out. But when I switch it into its American counterpart, it says it's available for 183 USD, but I see it listed in other places for 219 USD, so I'm not sure. I mean, this product just came out, so I'm pretty sure we'll get more accurate cost and availability soon. It's going to be in stock within 2 to 3 weeks as of the making of this video. What are your thoughts on this new Roland device? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. Peace out.